Good morning. My name is Yamini Churi, class FIMMS, roll number MB21024, subject Operation Management, college name SAS Institute of Management Studies, Boisar. My topic name is Material Requirement Planning. What is material requirement planning? Material requirement planning is a planning and control system for inventory, production and scheduling. Is concerned with both production, scheduling and inventory control. It is a material control system that attempts to keep adequate inventory level to assure that required material are available when needed. Objectives of MRP ensures the availability of material, component and product for plant production and for customer delivery. Maintain the lowest possible level of inventory. Plan manufacturing activities, delivery schedules and purchasing activities. Material requirement planning. Used mostly in the manufacturing and fabrication industries, this system is a push type of inventory control, meaning that organization use forecasting to determining the customer demand for products. The manufacturing or fabrication company will forecast the amount and type of product they will purchase along with the quantity of materials to produce them. They then push the product to the consumers. Advantages of MRP. MRP has the following advantages. First, MRP has relation with the master production schedule and alongside shows the specific quantity and the timing of the order for all the components. By adopting MRP approach, every single order can be traced in case of low level of bill of material till the preparation of the master production schedule. MRP also guides the company about the sequence of the activities and the time of the performance of the same. MRP also provides relevant information to the suppliers about the manufacturing detail and its timing. The three basic steps of MRP. First, taking inventory of the material and component on hand. Second, identifying which additional ones are needed. Third, scheduling production or purchase. Categories of inventory: independent demand and dependent demand. Dependent demand. The demand for one item is related to the demand for another item. Given a quantity for the end item, the demand for all parts and components can be calculated. In general use, whenever this schedule can be established for an item, MRP is the common technique. Effective use of dependent demand inventory model require the following. First, master production schedule. Second, bill of material. Third, inventory records. Fourth, purchase order. And 5, lead time. First, the master production schedule is a plan for individual commodities to be produced in which time period, such as production, staffing, inventory, etc. This plan quantifies significant processes, part and other resources in other order to optimize production, to identify bottleneck and the anticipate needs and completed goods. Second, specification of or bill of material. Bill of material is a list of components, ingredients and material needed to make product. Third, accurate inventory records. Accurate inventory records are absolutely required for MRP dependent demand system to operate correctly. Generally, MRP system require 99% accuracy. Outstanding purchase order must accurately reflect quantities and schedule receipt. Fourth, lead time. The time required to purchase, produce or assemble an item. MRP systems structure. Data file, DOM, lead time, item master file, inventory data, purchasing data. Master production schedule. Material requirement planning program, computer and software. Output reports, MRP by period report, MRP by date report and plan order report, purchase advice, exception report, order early or late, or not needed, order quantity too small or too large. Gross requirement. Gross requirement demand for an item by time period, input, process or output. MPS, BOM, exposure and gross requirement. Net requirement. Net requirement number of items to be provided and when. Input, MPS, BOM and inventories. Process, netting, output, net requirement. Safety stock. BOM as inventory records, purchase and production quantities may not be perfect. Consideration of safety stock may be prudent, should be minimized and ultimately eliminated, typically built into projected on-hand inventory. Enterprise resource planning. An extension of the MRP system to tie in customer and supplier, allow automation and integration of many business processes, share common databases and business practices, produce information in real time, coordinates business from supplier evaluation to customer involving. Thank you.